Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy LB and it's been a while. So welcome back to my new tutorial, guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how I create this day scene into night scene. Alright, so now let's get jump on it in Adobe Premiere Pro and let me show you how I did this process. So no LUT, no preset, just Premiere Pro. Let's go. So this is my video clip which am I going to use, okay? You see how it is in S-Log, it is in a Vlog, just whatever you say, cause here I use like Lumix S5, okay? And then so this is the flat image which am I going to use. So guys, the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to create an adjustment layer because I just want to apply this effect on adjustment layer, okay? So let me just come up here on this new item and then come here on this adjustment layer and then press OK, and let me just put it above on this clip, guys, because it is in flat image. First I just want to remove this flat look, okay, in order to apply my effect, okay? So now for this adjustment layer, guys, and I'm going to use Rec 709 as manually, okay? Just come up here on this workspace and then just come up here on this color. For this first adjustment layer, guys, and I'm going to remove this flat image, okay? Let me just come up here on this contrast, and I have to increase this contrast, the whole contrast to a 100, okay? And then this shadow, let me just remove it to this minus 100, okay? And then just come up here on these curves, and I'm going to use these RGB curves for this white. So let me just add the point on this mid-tone, okay? We know that this is the mid-tone, this is the shadow, this is the highlight, okay? So now and I have to remove down it something like this, just a few little bits, okay? And then guys, this is enough for this, okay? And then let me just create another adjustment layer because I just want to apply this night look, okay? So let me just move this second adjustment layer above this clip, okay? Yeah, something like this, and then just click here on it. So now just come up here on this basic correction. So what am I going to do? We know that the night look, yes, it is in cold, so I have to put it in this temperature, in these, yes, in these cold temperatures, something like this. And then so I have to move this exposure to minus, like, let me just put it to minus 0.7, okay, because it is the midnight, okay? And then about the shadow, let me just put it to a 100 too, yes, something which looks like these guys, okay? You see, and then I can increase this highlight just a little bit, okay? And then about this black, and also I have to move this black, yes, something like this, guys, maybe, yes, let me just put it to minus 100. And then guys, let me just come back here on these curves too. So here there is some RGB curves, and also which am I going to use, okay? So and here I can just move it, yes, down, something like this, okay? But let me just use like, yeah, these, yes, this shadow, okay? But before, you have to put it this point on this mid-tone, okay, guys, because it is in the night, this face of this subject, yes, it will not be visible, okay, because I just want the look of the night. And then just come up here on this red, also let me just move it down, yes, something like this, guys, okay? And then even this green, so move this look, even this blue I have to put it up just a few little bit, something like this. So now you see how this look looks like, okay? So for this adjustment layer, it was like to remove like this flat image, put it into Rec 709, and then this adjustment layer, yes, it is where I applied this effect, okay? And also if you just want your subject to be looks like visible, you can just come up here for this adjustment layer, the first one, and you can just reduce like this contrast and shadow. Now you see how this subject, now you see the faces, it is visible somehow, but for me I just want like this subject to become like completely black, okay? So now you see how this is, it looks like, okay? For this second adjustment layer, let me just come back here on these curves, okay? So and the sky must be blue, you see guys, something like this guys. For even this gray, this green, yes, this is really nice. And then guys, let me just add like sharpen guys, you know guys, I like sharp, okay, yes, completely sharp. And then some vibrance if you just want like to be saturated somehow, okay, or if you just want to be looks like cinematic, yes, you can just reduce this vibrance or increase, depend what the kind of the look you want. So now when I play, now this is how my clip looks like. So guys, this is how you can create this effect, day to night scene effect. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to make subscribe and drop the comment down below. Let me know what you think. So and I will see you in next video. Peace.